This one here, this part here is going to be the hardest, but it's not that big of a deal. It's got one of them little slip clips. I forget the proper name. It looks like a C-clip, but it's got a little extra loops on the top and the bottom. But I'll show you how to get that off, or the way I do it anyway. And we're going after this right there, that clip right there. If I can get in there without knocking you around. Oh, I dropped it down there. No, I didn't. I got it. And that there is what it looks like. Took this apart a couple months ago because I was after something else. But that's the little groove that sets in. Sets in there like that. That's all it does. Just slides in there, pinches in there. The stud goes in there, or the cog, the gear, whatever you want to call it. So, and this pops out like that. So there's going to be a clip holding it right here. We'll be able to push down and slide out, or push over. I'll take a look. I haven't really looked yet. And then there's going to be, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let me try to get you guys in for a better view. Now these are the tabs we're going to pull up, but mine's already super loose. They're not on the bottom, I guess. I'm blind as a bat, so it's probably got something else I'm not seeing. But really, it's just me being a little bit wimpy. Pull it out. All you can do is just push on this tab, push it down. It's kind of stiff, though. All right. Grab the new one. And that should look good. Lug that doohickey back in there. Oh, there we go. That's got to be a good sound. Guess I could have took that off first. Put that one down there. Don't mix it up with the dirty one, so I can make it all nice and shiny and pretty. I hope that stays. Feels like it's going to. Let's give it a test run and see if it works. Guess I could have done this before I put the keys in there, so it's not so annoying. Yeah. Looking good. Yeah. I think I got lucky. I don't have to do no more probing. All right. Let's put this back together, and I'm going to take that as a win. Some days it's a win, some days not so much. All right, now the way I'm going to try to put this back together is, see that little peg right here? It goes right in there. So I'm going to get it relatively lined up. There's another one over here, and it's pretty hard to move that fabric, but you get the idea. There's another one in there just like that. Try to get those going in the right direction. And then I'm going to take, and then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put the clip on there first, and I'm going to slide it in there before I start sliding this in there and get it all the way locked down, so I can kind of make sure it clips into this groove right here. So I don't know if you can see that groove very well on camera, but there's a shiny part right there, right between my fingers. And at the same time, going to be trying to guide this in and this other one down here. Make sure they get seated and are home free. Heard one pop. Heard another pop. Yay! Let's get that guy on. All right. I think she's all back together. Job well done, if I do say so myself. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.